Hello everyone and welcome back to this midweek technical look here at xm.com. So we had some reaction yesterday after the Fed decision, and we're going to have a look at gold prices, US 500 and pound yen as we have the BOE decision later today. So starting from gold prices, we can see that the market reached the 2,600 round number yesterday and it recorded a new all-time high. So currently the market is holding beneath this upward sloping channel around the 2,575, and it may also retouch this ascending line here around the 2,600 level. So if there is a successful climb above this obstacle here, then the market it may reach the 2,700 round number ahead of the 2,800, which is the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level of this down leg here, which is taken from the weekly chart from March of 2022 to October of 2022 as well. On the other hand, now if there is a drop lower the market, it may re-challenge the 2,531 level, which overlaps with the 20-day SMA ahead of this a long-term ascending trend line around the 2,483 and the 50-day SMA slightly lower at 2,471. Now if there is a closing day beneath this line here, then it may switch the outlook to a more neutral one, reaching the 2,432 support ahead of the 2,350. But as long as the market remains well above the 200-day SMA, I believe that we are still in a positive territory. Now looking at the technical oscillators, the MACD is holding above its trigger line in the positive area, while the RSI is pointing upward and it may flirt with the overbought region anytime soon. Now turning to US 500, we can see that also here the US 500 posted a new all-time high yesterday around the 5,679.71 and is currently reaching the previous peaks of 5,673.39. So the expectation is to have more upside pressure today, and maybe the next resistance may come to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this down leg here around 6,000. On the other hand, the move to the downside, the bearish correction, it may find some support around the 20 and 50-day SMAs at 5,580 ahead of 5,500. Even lower, the 5,385 key level is coming next ahead of this long-term ascending trend line around the 5,300 level. Now even lower, the market it may reach the 200-day SMA at 5,219, and if there is also a break beneath this line as well as around the 5,090 penetration, then it may change the outlook to a more bearish one. Now looking at the stochastic oscillator, we can see that the stochastic posted a bearish crossover within its percentage K and percentage D lines and is moving lower from the overbought region, indicating that we may see a correction to the downside. However, the RSI and the MACD are endorsing the bullish momentum in the market. The RSI is pointing upwards while the MACD is holding above its trigger and zero lines. And finally, looking at pound yen, the market posted 4 days of gains and is running above around the 30-day SMA, which is holding at 188.70, with the next resistance coming from the bearish crossover within the 50 and the 200-day SMAs around 192.40. Even higher, the market may find tough obstacle around 193.50 resistance ahead of the psychological level of 195. Alternatively, the market it may reach again the previous bottoms of 183.70 ahead of the 180 round number. Now, if there is a drop beneath this area here, then it will endorse this bearish movement that started back in July, and it will confirm the bearish movement to the bearish movement. Now the stochastic oscillator is rising above the 80 level and the RSI is moving towards the 50 level and it will be crossing above it anytime soon. So both of them are confirming that we're going back to the upside in the market. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.